Okay, today is day 7. That's right. Let's see what we've got here. Day 7. Oh, it's soft. Feels like clothes. Maybe a scarf. Maybe a balaclava to get out of here. Let's see what we've got. Very interesting. Maybe it's a tea towel of Hong Kong. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it is a tea towel. The connection between the strong and weak, big and small, and fast and slow is what makes us a team. Absolutely. Was that drawn by someone? Ah, Florence. Okay, I won't put that on live video. I'll read that later. Thank you very much. Oh, lovely. The Aqualuna. That is beautiful. Oh, bird cages. Beautiful lanterns. And a Chinese noodle bowl with chopsticks. Thank you so much. This will be well used. This will be lovely. Thank you so much. Look at that. Just of Asia. Thank you, thank you. That is such a thoughtful gift. That's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Florence. Thank you, everyone.